video is really something that's a natural extension of the social media platforms that we use in general, right? If you look from social media kind of evolution, whether it was text, photos, you look at bandwidth rates and that sort of thing. Um, that made it so that like Instagram was popular because you had a photo that was really looked really good, and they use these filters and that sort of thing. But we've come to the time with there's such a plethora of bandwidth availability. Videos become really really popular. If you look at TikTok and these other platforms, videos become really popular. So one of the reasons why we use the video is because it's what the platforms want, right? It's what our customers want. And so it really goes viral within those in different platforms, and we kind of leverage it to those platforms that are there. But also video is really powerful in telling a story, right? I mean, from a photo is great, but just seeing that video and seeing like the honey fall on the cookie, or seeing those things, it gets you really excited. It gets you really emotional about those cookies, and really like, and really just it's just fun. Like at Crumbl, we just love to have fun, right? Whether it's whether it's just baking or coming up with crazy ideas and that sort of thing. We just like to have fun, and we really want our customers to really have fun and be part of the experience. And so the video really allows us to kind of have that fun experience. It's not still or boring and that sort of thing. It really creates the fun part of Crumbl. So video is a huge thing. It leverages the platforms, which the direction that they're going, but it also allows us to story tell a little bit better. So that's kind of why we've gone really heavy in video.